Does judgment from others stop you from stepping out and doing the damn thing? One of the major reasons that holds you back is that you don't appreciate yourself. Now, why do I say that? One of the common ways this shows up is worrying about what others may think if you do fill in the blank. You are a beautiful and wise human being and would like to help others. You have a story and wisdom to share if you can only get out of your own way and speak up. But you don't want to make that video or post that meme because you fear what others might say. You fear the comments people might make. Why? Because the comment will go off in your head like a bomb and cause you to question yourself. Who am I to tell people what to do? I'm broken. I can't help others. It's the self-talk connected to not appreciating your uniqueness, your journey, but also not realizing that our most intimate and personal fears are those that are the most universal to others. You're special. You're a god or goddess in training, learning to evolve into your greater self. You're becoming new every day. You are divine. Now say that to yourself. I am special. I am a god or goddess in training, learning to evolve into my greater self. I am becoming new every day. I am divine. Say that to yourself every morning and night and watch how you begin to shine. And F what they think.